and here. Okay, even you can set the background. Okay, background color. Okay, now. Okay, finish. Okay, highest department sales. Okay, max. So you know, right? 97,911. So how to get this amount? Okay, so you just point to here. Okay, your cursor just point to B17 here. Okay, now you can go to the formula to select auto sum. Okay, auto sum. Can you see max, mean, and average is here. So that's why we can use these functions. Okay, for example, we use max because we want to know which company, which department is the highest sales. Okay, so you just select max. Okay, when you select max, then you need to highlight. Okay, highlight this at department. This means you must highlight B6 until B30. Okay, you must highlight this at department. Don't just press enter directly. Okay, you must select first. Okay, select from the B6 until B30. Then you press enter. Okay, so this is a formula here. Okay, now you can get 97,911. Okay, remember, always remember, once you get the first result, then the other, you don't need to do again. Okay, just go to the bottom right, okay, right bottom corner here, and drag to the fourth quarter. Okay, like this. Okay, it's quite simple. Okay, how about minimum? We use a mean. That means we must know which department is the lowest department sales. Okay, so we know it's 15, right? Okay, so we just go to the auto sum again. Okay, you just point to B18 now. Okay, now you can select auto sum here, select mean. Okay, now you can select again B6 until B13. Okay, then press enter. Okay, once you get the first result, then others, just drag until the end. Okay, so you can know lowest is 9177. Okay, so this result is accurate. Must be accurate. Okay, we're not showing you the wrong, wrong result. Okay, and average, same thing. You just point to B19, then go to auto sum to select average. Okay, now select again B6 until B30, then press enter. Okay, then just drag to the end. Like this, that's all. This is how you can use this formula, okay, to find highest, minimum, and average amount. Okay, it's quite simple and easy. Okay, anyone? Any question here for this max, mean, average formula? Any question? Who not understand? Okay, please let me know if you don't understand. Okay, if you just keep quiet, I assume you are no lah. Okay, you understand. Okay, you understand this formula. Okay, why? Why is different? Average. So you must see, is it correct or not? The amount. Is it 383, 418, 372, 405? Is it correct or not? So you must check this total amount. Okay, if something is not correct, then must be something wrong. Okay, maybe the amount is not correct. Okay, but the method is the same. Okay, if you use the average, then you must use the formula, then you can get this result. Okay, so you check properly whether this total amount is same with you. Okay, so you must add up this one. Okay, or you're missing one department or anything. Okay, then you must check which one is not correct. Okay, so you must refer back to here. First quarter, is it similar to this one? Okay, then total should be correct, right? Okay, because you need to add up this all, then total. Okay, Yeah, if all same, then average is the same, right? How come it's different? Okay, you check properly this one. If this one is same, then you will get the result like this. Okay, which one? Which department is not same? Okay, which one is different? Okay, so you must check lah. Okay, if this one is correct, then should be okay lah. Because you must select. Okay, maybe you select this one. No, you only select this ad department. Okay, don't highlight like total. This one cannot be. Okay, you always must select this ad department only. Okay, total is not included. Okay, now, so finish and this part. Okay, now is another formula if. We use if formula. Okay, if formula you can find from the formulas logical, then you can find if here. Okay, why is the logical? What does mean the logical? Okay, that means only the result, only can get one result, either one result. Okay, for example, yes or no. Okay, true or false. Okay, only can get one result. Okay, for example, this the first result. Okay, first quarter 20. Normally, if we use a comparison, okay, like for example, A compared to B, B compared to C, C compared to D. Okay, so we also do the comparison. Okay, so for the first quarter, because first quarter cannot compare, right? Okay, it cannot compare to the fourth quarter 2016. Okay, we don't have this information, so we just put name. Okay, just put name. Okay, now we go back to the here row 21 to key in sales increase or decrease. Okay, we just key in here this part. Okay, so we must know whether the sales is increase or decrease. Okay, so the first one, 3 at 3, at 4 3, so it's a nil. That means nothing. Okay, nothing can compare, so we put nil. Okay, you can put the center. Okay, but the second we can compare, right? Okay, for example, this one, 418,908. Is it bigger than 3 at 3 at 4 3? Okay, condition is a condition, it's a comparison. Okay, for example, okay, now you place your cursor here, C21. Okay, now we go to the formula and select logical, then select if. Okay, now you prompt out this one. Okay, this one will show logical text. So you must add your total amount. Okay, let's say C14. Okay, you just click C14 or you can type C14. Okay, we use a condition. Okay, that means bigger than. Okay, we use this one. Okay, this means greater than. Okay, greater than symbol. Okay, so we use a greater than. Okay, if C14 is total amount, okay, then you type you select this one B14. Okay, if C14 bigger than B14, then if this one is true, then show sales up. Okay, otherwise show sales down. Okay, if C14 bigger than B14, if this is true, then show sales up. Okay, if false, then show sales down. Okay, so you can see C14, is it bigger than B14? It's true or false? True or false? C14 bigger than B14? True or false? It's true, right? Okay, if true, then show what? So I mentioned here, sales up, sales down. If false, sales down. So I click OK. Okay, then the result will show sales up. Okay, the result will show sell up. Okay, always remember, Okay, once you get the first result, then others no need to do again. Okay, just drag until the end. Okay, so you can see why this one shows sales down, because D14 greater than C14. It flows, right? Okay, it's not correct, right? It's not correct, then that means it's a sales down. Okay, if true, sales up. If false, sales down. Okay, same like E14 bigger than D14. It's true, right? If true, we show the sales up. So you already make the comparison. Okay, like this one, if C14 bigger than B14, then it's true. Okay, unless you change. If C14 less than B14, if true, sales down. If low, sales up. Okay, you can do opposite. Okay, it depends on your condition. Okay, what is your condition? Okay, greater than or less than. Okay, so this is the result. If formula. Okay, always remember, only can get one result. Okay, cannot be the two result. Okay, so we have finished this part. Okay, we have finished this part. Okay, this one we also can use bold. Okay, maybe this one we can use 14. This is better you use a 20 cm. Okay, now you can see. Okay, so no problem. Okay, where to find if function? Okay, if function you can find from formulas, logical. As I said just now, you only can find here if. Okay, so this means it's a true or false, yes or no. Only can get one answer. Okay, just like this. Just now I say, if this one is bigger than this one, if true, then show sales up. If false, show sales down. That's all. Okay, only got one result. Okay, so this part we have finished. Nil is for what? This means nil is nothing. No comparison. Okay, so we put nil because first quarter total 27 cannot compare. Okay, compared to fourth quarter 2016 because we don't have this information. So we just put nil. Okay, cannot compare. Okay, so we just put nil. But start from the second quarter 2017 can compare to first quarter, right? Okay, so we want to compare second quarter compared to first quarter, third quarter compared to second quarter, fourth quarter compared to third quarter, like this. Okay, so that's why we put nil. Okay, no comparison. Okay, so this part A we have finished. Okay, and now we go to part 2. Okay, part 2 is creating a chart and a pivot table. So we will create a pie chart, column chart, and pivot table and pivot chart. Okay, part 2. Okay, any question here before we add a new chart? Any question again? Okay, if no question, we can continue. Okay, now we need to create a pie chart. This is the pie chart. Okay, so you can see this pie chart must have a chart title. Okay, every chart must have their chart title. Must put the chart title. Okay, And also you can see this chart. You can see the first quarter until fourth quarter here, and also the percentage. Okay, and also this one we call legend. Okay, so you can see this color represent first quarter 27 and so on. Okay, so where to get this information? Okay, so all the information we can get from the sales summary 2017, all information we can get. Okay, so now the first thing we need to create a new worksheet called pie chart 2017. Okay, this one, so you just go to, okay, just go here and click new worksheet. Okay, remember to rename it pie chart 2017. Okay, pie chart 2017. Okay, now we go back to here again. Okay, so we need to insert the pie chart. Okay, so we find this information. Okay, first quarter and also the percentage. Okay, that means we go to the sales summary to find first quarter until fourth quarter. So we just highlight from B5 until E5. Okay, now you can press your control button and hold down to select another one. Okay, press your control button and set the total amount here. Okay, just highlight B14 until E14. Okay, make sure these two selected. Okay, now you can release your control button. Okay, okay, now you can go to insert tab. Okay, then go to the chart groups here. Okay, so which one is the pie chart? Okay, if you see the logo now, okay, which one? If you don't understand, you just your mouse cursor just point to the the icon. Okay, so this is insert column. Okay, this one is an insert pie. Okay, so it is this one, right? Okay, but if you can see the chart, then you know, right? This one is a pie. Okay, so you just click here to select 2D pie. Okay, we can select the first one. Okay, click here. Now you can see this is a pie chart. Now you need to cut and paste to the pie chart 2017. Just now we create the new worksheet, right? Okay, so just right click to select cut. Okay, cut to here and paste to here. Okay, cut and paste. Okay, now we can recite. Okay, recite the graph. Okay, recite the chart. Okay, as you can see, chart title. Okay, so you can key in the chart title. What's the chart title? Okay, Homestar Sdn Bhd Sales Chart 2017. So we just key in. Okay, Homestar Sdn Bhd. This is a sales chart 2017. Okay, so we can use a bold. Okay, bold. Okay, and click. Okay, so this is a chart title. Okay, and next one, and how to get this one? First quarter and also the percentage. So we need to call out, right? Okay, which one? We don't know, right? Okay, so we just go to the chart element. Okay, here, plus button here. Then you can select data labels. Okay, data label. Okay, once you click data labels, then we show the total amount. Remember, it's this one. Okay, it's this one. Okay, but now the problem is we don't want to show the value. Okay, we don't want to show this total amount here. Okay, what we need to show is I need to show first quarter, okay, until fourth quarter, and also the percentage. Okay, so this one this is we call category name. Okay, category name. Okay, now you just click. Okay, any one. Okay, any one of the figure here. Okay, you just click. Once you click, then 4 will be selected lah. Okay, you click any one will be selected. Okay, all will be selected. Then you can select right click. Then you can select format data labels. Okay, now we show out this one, format data label. Or you can go to here, click this one to select more option. Okay, now if you click here, then we show data, format data labels. Okay, you see here, can you see category name is here? Because we need to show category name, right? First quarter until fourth quarter. So we tick this one. Okay, you see, after I tick, they will show first quarter until fourth quarter. But we don't want to show value, right? Okay, value is mean this one, RM383, this one we don't want to show, but we want to show percentage. You see, so you just tick percentage. Okay, then only show category name and percentage. Okay, after you click percentage. Okay, so this means this one okay, okay already. Okay, of course you can use you want to change color, everything also can. Okay, and this one just now we say is a call legend, is it? Legend. Okay, now we want to change to the right side. Okay, you see legend is shown here. That means right hand side. Okay, so you just click here, click this one. This one is bottom right, show bottom. Okay, now you can right click to select format legend. Okay, after you click here, then you right click to select format legend. Can you see? Right. Okay, because we want to move to here. So we just select right. Okay, you see. Of course, you can simply, every time you can change the location that you want. Okay, even you can select both. Okay, here also, if you select here, you click both, all will be changed. Okay, if finish, then you can close this one every time. Okay, understand? Who cannot follow, please let me know. Okay, so not yet finished, because you see this one. Okay, first quarter is shown in the center. Okay, but here first quarter is shown to the top right. Okay, that's why we need to turn. Okay, turn the circle, this circle to the here. Okay, how to turn it? And also you can find this is 4 pieces, right? Just assume this is a cake. Okay, so just cut into 4 pieces. Okay, this one we call white explosion. Okay, so how to do this? Okay, now we just turn around first, turn the circle. Okay, so now you can click, double click in the center. Okay, circle here. Okay, after you click, double click. Okay, double click, then this one, format data point will show. Okay, will come up. As you can see, angle of first slide. Okay, that means you can turn. Okay, now you can click here to turn. Can you see? After I click this one, we turn. Okay, turn from left. Okay, but this one is very slow, right? Then you can adjust here. Okay, more faster. Okay, you can adjust this to around 317. Okay, 317 degree. Okay, so you see, first quarter 2017 is shown here. Okay, and also explosion, this one. Okay, this means you need to select again. Okay, you click outside here, then you click again. Center, click one time again. Make sure this all selected. Okay, you can see the small blue point, blue bullet point here. Okay, and center also got 1 point. This means all selected. Okay, now you can go to the spike explosion to click. Okay, to press this button, arrow. So can you see? Now it's already become 4 pieces. Okay, this one we call pipe explosion. Okay, 5%. Okay, if 6%, 8%, it's more bigger. Okay, so normally we 5% should be okay. Okay, so you see, of course we can change that if you want. We always can change the style. Okay, the chart design that you want. Okay, you can see many star here. Okay, even you can set here. Okay, change the star. Even you can change the color here. Okay, so you can have many selection. Okay, it depends on you. If you want to use this one, then you just click here. Okay. Okay, so this one you call pie chart 2017. Okay. Okay, the next one is we call column chart 2017. Okay, and you can see column chart 2017 show what? Show departments, all departments, you see? All departments and also the total sales. Okay, total sales is where? So you can find from the sales summary. Okay, I need to highlight this department and also the total sales. Okay, these two. Okay, now we create a column chart 2017 first. Okay, so we go to the, okay, to add a new worksheet. And this one we change to column chart. Okay, in column chart 2017. Okay, and this one if no use, you can always close it. Okay, column chart 2017. Okay, now we come here again. Okay, so you can see this column chart have a department sales. This one is the chart title. Okay, now we need to get the information first. Okay, so this means we need to highlight all the departments and also the total. Okay, so you go back to the sales summary 2017. Okay, this worksheet. Okay, so this means we need to highlight from X6 until A13. Okay, once again, press your control button and hold down. Okay, then select another one, total. Okay, just highlight from F6 until F13. Okay, just now we highlight this one, right? First quarter until fourth quarter and the total. Now we highlight this one, department and also total. Okay, total amount. So you just release your control button after you select. Okay, now you go to the insert again to select insert pie. Okay, so as we know, this one is an insert pie. So we just click here and select 2D. Okay, so this is a column chart. Now we can cut and paste to the column chart. Okay, just now we create column chart, right? Okay, so we can resize it. Okay, resize to the bigger. Okay, and also we need to change the chart title first. Okay, chart title, what is chart title? Chart title is called Department Sales 2017. Okay, so we key in Department Sales 2017. Okay, we can highlight. Okay, like this. This is the chart title. Okay, and another one, and this one, sales amount and department. Okay, so this one we call axis title. Okay, axis title. Okay, we need to show up. Okay, like this one is a sales amount. Okay, and also this one is a department. Okay, sales amount and this side we always call vertical X. Okay, vertical X normally show number lah. Okay, show quantity, show the, as long as show digit lah. Okay, show the number or digit. Okay, or meters, cm, anything lah. Okay, it's a digit, it's a number. Okay, it's a number show here. And this one is we call horizontal Y. Okay, horizontal Y. Okay, this means we show category name. Okay, as I say, category name can be departments. Okay, so you can see this is department. Can have a quarter, first quarter until fourth quarter. Can have a company name, okay, or country name, everything. Okay, as long as show the name here. Okay, remember this one show number, this one show name. Okay, so we can call out axis title first. Okay, where to call out? Okay, very easy. Okay. Now we go to here. Okay, can you see chart element? Okay, press this one again. Now you can see assist title. Okay, now you just tick assist title, then this one will come up. Okay, assist title, assist title. Of course, we need to change some. Okay, we need to change. This one is what? This one we call sales amount. So we just key in sales amount, and this one department. Okay, so we just change the assist title. Okay, this one is a sales amount. Okay, RM. Okay, so can use bold. Okay, I like use bold, and this one we change to department. Okay, so I like bold. Okay, so this is the assist title. Okay, and next one, we also need to show out this one. Okay, this one we call data label. Okay, this one is the actual amount. Okay, like this one, actual amount. Okay, so we must put here. Okay, if no, we don't show this one, we don't know. Okay, we don't know the actual amount. Okay, so we cannot estimate. Okay, if we didn't show this one, we just refer to this chart, we don't know. Okay, the actual amount. Okay, so we must call out this one we call data label. And this side also, can you see? This one we call data table. Okay, data tables and data table. Okay, where to call out? Okay, you go back to again. Same thing. Just go to the chart element. Can you see data labels and data table? Okay, just tick data labels. After you tick, then we show. Okay, we show the total amount here. Okay, and also data table. Okay, we show the below here. Okay, so you can adjust lah. Because this one you cannot see, right? Okay, you cannot see all figure. Okay, so you need to adjust like this. Okay, make sure all you can see. So, okay, some more. Okay, so you can see, right? Okay, 188.214.00. Okay, and this one you also can click. Okay, if you want to use a bold, set to bold, and this one also set to bold. Okay, set to bold. Okay, when you click one, then all will be selected. Okay, now we change the bold. Okay, of course we can change the bar color. This one we call bar. Okay, just like this one we change the red color. Okay, so you just go to any one. Okay, you just click any one. Okay, for example, I click this one. You see, all will selected. Then I click red color. Then you already change red color. Okay, so this one also is not difficult. Okay, not difficult for you. Okay, any question? Column chart. Got any question? Okay, you always can refer here. If you don't understand, you always can go to the practical. Okay, practical exercise guidelines here. You can check from here. Okay, so you can find all the guidelines. Okay, spreadsheet. And also you can find practical 1B output. Okay, so you can find here. Okay, it's a video format, video file. Okay, so you can find the information there. Okay, so this part we have finished. Okay, now we can override. Okay, override the file. Okay, just click save. Okay, your file is P1 Excel 1B output underscore your name, right? Okay, you just save. Okay. Okay, the next one is we need to create a pivot table and pivot chart. Okay. Okay, this is a pivot table and pivot chart. Okay, can you see? Okay, how to create this one? Okay, how to create this one? This time you don't need to add the worksheet. Okay, because this one we will add automatically later. Okay, so you don't need to add a new worksheet. Okay, now we can see this is a department, okay, and also the summary, okay, for of all quarter, okay, from first until fourth quarter. This means we can find the information from here, okay. Summary sales, okay, sales summary here. So we can highlight this part, okay. You can highlight this part A6 until E13. Okay, just highlight this part. Okay, we need to get this information. Okay, total is no need. Okay, because they will show the grand total later. Okay, so you just highlight here. Okay, now you go to the insert. Okay, every time you need to insert something, no matter you want to insert picture, insert shape, insert graphic, okay, whatever, insert chart. Okay, you always come to here, insert. Okay, now we go to pivot chart. Can you see? This is a pivot chart. Okay, you just click here. We want to select pivot chart and pivot table. Okay, these two. So you just click pivot chart and pivot table. Okay, after you click here, they will select it. Okay, they will select a table arrange. This one you don't need. Okay, because we already select. Okay, now and this one also choose where you want to pivot table report to be placed. Okay, we use a new worksheet. Okay, new worksheet, that means they will generate a new worksheet. Okay, you don't need to add. Okay, now you just press OK. And it's fine. Now it's a sheet 3. Okay, so you just rename this one. We rename to pivot table. Okay, this presenter. Okay, now we can move to the end. Okay, don't show here. Okay, we just click here and move until the end after column chart 2017. Okay, we put here. Okay, you already know how to move, right? Okay, so we move to the left, to the end. Okay, the last one. Okay, now you can see table and chart is here. Okay, show nothing, right? So you can tick. Okay, you can go to pivot table fields here to tick department. Okay, after you tick, then this one will show. Okay, and you tick first quarter table show up, and also this chart also. Okay, so you tick this one will show immediately. Okay, because this table and the chart is connected. If you change something here, amount, this one also will change automatically. Okay, let's say we need to tick all second, third, and fourth. Okay, and this chart you can move to the below. Okay, below of this chart. Okay, I show you bigger. So you can see after you tick, then all the show the amount, right? Okay, so you can highlight. Okay, we use a cell star to select currency. We need to show RM. Okay, remember if show dollar sign, then how? Just right click to select format cell. Format cells. Okay, then go to the currency to select the symbol RM Malay Malaysia. Okay, make sure the symbol place is 2, then press OK. Okay, I hope you remember this one I already talked to you many times. Okay, I already mentioned this many times. Okay, start from week 2. Okay, I already show you. Okay, now this is the grand total. So this one I just say you don't need to copy grand total. Okay, don't need to copy, only highlight this part only. Okay, and come to here. Okay, can you see? This is a chart title. Okay, table Homestar Siran Berhad. So we need to put into this these 2 rows and 5 column. Okay, so you can see this one is only 1 column because this use a merge and center. Okay, and the site is 18, use bold, background color is blue. Okay, now we go back to here. Okay, to here again to highlight. Okay, A1 until E2. Okay, to use a merge and center. Now we can key in Hong Star Serena Berhad. Okay, and we need to use a bow. Okay, we need to use bow. Okay, this one wrong. Okay, just highlight bow and font size is 18, and we use what? Sorry, I key in again. Okay, use bow. Okay, so I can click here, use bow, and use 18, and use a blue background. Okay, and this one we can set align middle align. Okay, they will move to the center. Okay, so this is we call chart title lah. Okay, this one also is a chart title. Okay, so you can see, and also we need to change this one. Okay, change to department. Okay, so we can change to department. Okay, don't use a row label, it's no meaning. Okay, we always can change. Okay, and sometimes we always can use this one we call filter. Okay, what is a filter mean? Okay, let's say I click here, I want to show, okay, you see, select all. Now I want to see closing and comma stick. So I deselect all and I tick costing and comma stick. Then press OK. So I just show only these two departments. Okay, because I select this one. So you can filter out. Okay, if you want to show all, then click select all. Then you show all. Okay, even you can shorting. Okay, like A to Z. This one we call ascending. Ascending. Okay, A to Z. Okay, 1 to lower to higher lah. Okay, lower to higher. Okay, like 1 to 10. Okay, and another one is a descending. That means Z to A. Okay, descending. Okay, Z to A. Okay, for example, you see this one B, C, E, F, H, W. This one is ascending, right? Okay, let's say if we choose this one, we select short Z to A. Now watches become the first one. Okay, already changed. Start from Z to A. Okay, so we change back again and we change to A to Z. Okay, start from B until W. Okay, this is we call filter lah. Okay, we can find it. You can find from data tab filter. Okay, let's say you go to the sales summary. If you go to the department months here, you click filter. Then every column will show out this one. Okay, this means you can select the department that you want. Okay, even here also. Okay, but if you don't want to show, then just untick again. Okay, no, click and click this button again, filter, then disappear. Okay, maybe you can say, what is the special for this pivot table and pivot chart? Okay, you also can use a normal chart, right? Why you still need to use a pivot table and chart? Okay, I let you know why. Because this one will show the table and chart. Okay, as you change anything and the chart will change also. Okay, even I can set from here. Okay, you see this row is department and month, right? That means you can see row 4, row 5 is a department, right? But I also can move to the column. Okay, I just click here and shift to the column. Then we change the viewing. Okay, so you see just now the department is shown in the row, right? Now it's show column. Okay, so you can see first quarter show all department. Okay, then second quarter show all department again, add department again until fourth quarter. So you can see many columns here. Okay, of course you can change back, but you see if you change this one, your chart also will change. Okay, something like this. Okay, you also can move back to the row. Okay, even you can use the column value. Okay, move to the row. Then you can see different. Okay, we show department and fourth quarter at the same time. Okay, show row lah. Okay, because you you move to the row. Okay, if you move to the column again, then we show column. Okay, so this is very useful. Okay, so that's why it's referred to others. Okay, pivot table and pivot chart. Okay, any question here? So we have finished this part, part 1B, practical 1B. Okay, if you don't have any question, so we can move to the practical 1C. Okay, after completing this practical, you will be able to enhance the experience of spreadsheet with the Excel, galleries, and effects features. Okay, as you can see, there are two parts here. Okay, look at the part 1, working with data, formulas, and functions. Add shape and smart art graphic, move or resize graphic, and add a text box and click art image. Okay, work with graphic and the special effects and using conditional format. Okay, with rules and graphic. Okay, so we start with this part first, part 1. Okay. Now, okay, if you go to the sales summary 2017, okay, can you see this one is we add the picture. Okay, we add the picture here. It's a home logo. Okay, company logo. Okay, we always can insert here. Okay, so we can insert this picture. Okay, so it's a Home Star Seminar Berhad logo lah. So we can go to, okay, we go to the, this one we can proceed. We go to the sales summary 2017 again. Okay, we need to add picture here. Okay, so how? Okay, insert. Okay, just click insert to select picture. Okay, then you can see there are two options here. This device and online picture. Okay, so this device means if you have this logo or picture, you can find from your local drive. Okay, even pen drive. Okay, but if you don't have this picture, you can find from the website. Okay, that's why we don't have, then we need to select online picture. Okay, to find the logo lah. Okay, so you click online picture. Now you can key in. Okay, so this is a Homestar Seminar Berhad. So we better use a relevant word lah. Okay, for example, home logo. Okay, we key in for home logo. Okay, and now we go to the filter to select print art image. Okay, print art. Print art is mean like cartoon lah, cartoon logo. Okay, so we always use a relevant word lah. Don't use aeroplane, don't use boat, don't use another word. Okay, logo is not matching to this company name. Okay, so we just simply select home. Okay, so after you select, then you can simply choose the one, okay, only one image, one picture that you want. Okay, for example, I can select this one. Okay, I select this one. You can select another picture. Okay, click insert. Okay, now I insert this picture. Okay, you see, oh, the picture is so big, is it? That's why you can resize to the smaller. Okay, resize to the smaller. Okay, resize to the smaller and fit to here. Okay, and smaller again. Okay, until the, okay, so you can put here. This is a home logo as a company logo. Okay, very easy, right? Just insert, then select picture. Okay, then you can key in the logo, the word. Okay, and next one, we need to add a shape. Add shape. Okay, this one is we call shape. Okay, we can add this shape is an indicator. Okay, indicator to indicate. Okay, to indicate this fourth quarter is the highest sales. Okay, 4,050. Okay, 450,000 plus. So this means this fourth quarter is the highest sales. So we can insert this shape to mark as an indicator is the highest sales. Okay, so how? Okay, we go back again. Okay, we need to put here. So we go to the insert tab and shape is here. Okay, so you can click here and select which one. Just now the shape. Which shape is it? Yeah, this one, right? call up down arrow. Okay, so we click here, then we draw here. Okay, we can draw here. Okay, so you can see after you draw this one shape star, you can select. Okay, there are many theme star here. Okay, which one you like, then you can select. Okay, I just simply select one. Okay, even you can select shape fill. Okay, to change the color inside. Okay, you can change the color. Okay, even the shape outline. Outline is outline, the outline color. Okay, so you can change it. Okay, like this. Okay, even you want it like this. Okay, and shape effect also. Okay, if you want to show like the shadow, okay, even the glow effect. Okay, so you can see glow effect like this. Okay, glow effect. So I select this one. So you see, this is a glow effect. Okay, and now you can key in the word highest sales. Okay, how to key in? Just right click to select edit text. Now you can key in highest sales. Okay, and highlight it. Okay, so you can put here. Okay, and highlight the word. Okay, you can put to the center. Okay, highlight highest. Okay, so you can highlight this word. Okay, even you can change. You can change the word style. Okay, even the text field, outline, effects also you can change. Okay, even you can set bold. Okay, so you can okay, make it center lah. Okay, alignment. Okay, and the mirror align. Okay, then we move to the center. Okay, so this is a higher sales. Okay, you always can change. Okay, if you want to change another color, okay, you always can go to shape format to select text field. Text field, we can change text field. Okay, like this. Okay, this is a X shape. Okay, next one. Next one is a conditional formatting. Okay, if you see this one, it will highlight these three figure, right? This means it's a highest lah. These three highest. How to make it? Okay, now you can go to here. You need to highlight. Okay, highlight from B6 until B13. Okay, you need to highlight this one. Then you can select conditional formatting. Okay. Conditional formatting. Okay, conditional formatting. Highlight, select here. Now you can see there are many conditional formatting. Okay, the many format. Okay, now we can select the first one. Highlight sales rules. Okay, so you can see greater than, less than, between, and so on. Okay, so from here we select greater than. Okay, just click. Okay, after you click there, then you see they will automatically highlight the third. Okay, why is this three figure? Because you see 56499.5. This means if the amount greater than 569,499.5, this means we'll highlight. Okay, or if you key in yourself 40,000, this means 47,000 also will highlight. Is it because greater than 40,000? This one is already 47,000. Okay, so even you can change. Okay, if you don't want to show the light red field and dark red text, you can select yellow field with dark yellow text. Okay, so they will change the color. Even green field with dark green text. Okay, so this one you can do it yourself. Press OK. Okay, and another one is a icon. Icon set lah. Okay, you see icon set like this one. Show blue color, green color is show the first two highest, and this one is medium, and the rest are the lowest. Okay, are the lowest. Okay, so how to get? Okay, you just highlight. Okay, now it's from C6 until C13. Okay, go to the conditional formatting again to select icon set. Okay, once you select icon set, you can see many icon. Okay, so you can try to select any one. Okay, so we just refer to the practical exercise. So this one is an indicator. Okay, Okay, another one. Okay, just highlight again to select data bars. Okay, so we can select data bars. Okay, so we just select this one. Okay, so this is the data bar. Okay, so you can see the lowest amount, 15. So you can see this bar will show shorter. Okay, but this amount is bigger, then the bar will show longer. Is it? Okay, now we try another 4/4. Okay, we use another one, color scale. This one is the color scale. Okay, as you can see, light blue is a highest, okay, and the lowest is a red color. Okay, this one already assigned automatically lah. You don't need to change anything. Okay, you just highlight. Okay, then you can select the color scale that you want. Okay, like this. Okay, even you can clear. Okay, let's say you don't want this formatting again. Okay, you can highlight again to go to here to clear the rule. Clear rule from selected cell. Okay, let's say I select this one, I clear. Okay, back to the normal. Okay, unless you want to clear all, then you can select clear rules from entire strip. Okay, this means this all, if you select this one and this one will be back to the normal. Okay, because this one is a condition formatting. So if you select this one, this means clear all. Okay, so this means you don't need to clear one by one. Okay, unless you just want to clear, then you just select only one. Okay, clear from selected cell only. Okay, understand? Okay, now another one is a smart art graphic. Okay, smart art graphic. We need to add a smart art graphic like this one. Okay, so this is a smart art graphic. Okay, like this one. So you can see department. Okay, add departments and the total amount. Okay, so we can insert smart art graphic. Okay, below. Okay, after cell increase if so we show below here. Okay, now we go to scroll down. Now we go to the insert and select smart art. Can you see smart art here? Okay, just click here. Okay, now you can choose which one is more suitable. Just now you see the chart, right? Okay, is it this one, right? Hierarchy, which one? Which one is more suitable? Is suitable for the chart just now? Okay, I think this one, right? Hierarchy. Okay, so you just select this one, hierarchy, just press OK. Now you can see, okay, show out this one. Okay, so you can move to the below text here. Okay, below if formula. Okay, now you can key in. Okay, as you can see, this one is a department, right? Closing, comma state. Okay, and also the amount. Okay, so here we can key in department. Okay, department. You also can key in here. Okay, this side, you always can click show out this one. Okay, so this one you can key in. This one is a clothing. Okay, clothing, and this one we can key in here is a comma state. Okay, so we still have another 6. We need to create. Okay, but you defer this one first. Okay, you see clothing. It show 2. Okay, but here we only show 1. 188, 124. So we can just delete either one. Okay, we go to here to click. Okay, let's say we want to delete this one. Okay, I just click. Okay, wait. Okay, so you just click lah. Click either one, then press delete to clear. Okay, so this one closing, so you can key in RM 188.124.00. Okay, and also conversely is 210998. Okay, so you can key in here 210998.00. Okay, now we need to add another 6, right? Okay, now you can point to common state here. Okay, you can come to here. Okay, you can add shape, click add shape. They will create another one. Okay, or you can go to here. Okay, press enter. Okay, enter to create another one. Okay, or you can right click to select add shape after. Okay, then we create one more. Okay, add shape after is mean they will create from your right hand side. Okay, if add shape before left hand side. Okay, if add shape above is mean show above lah. Okay, if shape below, then below. Okay, for example, this one we want to show below, right? Okay, right click to select add shape below. Okay, like this. Okay, one by one. Okay, or you can click add shape here. Okay, come to here and click add shape here. Okay, one by one. Okay, or you can just right click to select add shape below. Okay, many method you can do lah. Okay, add shape below. Okay, right click add shape below. Okay, so once it's finished, right, then you just key in. Okay, so I give you 5 minutes to key in. Okay, key in all the details here. Okay, just key in all details in 5 minutes. Okay, I will come back later, so you can key in first. Okay, finish. Okay, so you also can change if you want. You always can change the smart art style. Okay, for example, you can change to 3D format. Okay, like this 3D format. Even you can change the color. Okay, color. Okay, okay. Assume you have a finish. Okay, so I just copy from here. Yeah, let's copy from this side. And okay, like this. Okay, finish this part. Okay, now we look at part 2, printing worksheet. Okay, preview a worksheet, change margin using the page spread preview, and fit a worksheet to a page or page, and header and footer, okay, and so on here. Okay, normally we want to print a preview, right? Okay, we always go to the file to print. Okay, now we can see the preview. Okay, so you can see this one is a portrait. Okay, you see there are 2 pages. Okay, if we print out A4 paper, okay, normally this side is not letter. Okay, we always choose the A4 size. Okay, if we print out the hard copy, but we don't want to print like this, right? Okay, this one is not correct, right? Okay, so we need to make it one page only. Okay, so this one portrait is not suitable, so we need to change orientation. Okay, you go to the page layout, you go to the orientation to change landscape. Okay, no show portrait, so click landscape. Okay, unless you only 2 or 3 column. Okay, but if you more than 3 column, it's better you use a landscape. Okay, okay, after you click landscape, okay, now you can go to the preview again. Okay, go to print, then you can see preview. Now you see, but I cannot see total. Now become 3 pages. Okay, you see, like this. Okay, and total is show another page. Okay, so we don't want to print like this, right? Okay, so we can go back to the normal again. Okay, now we need to use a page spread preview. Okay, page spread preview. Okay, 8 to 5 page spread preview. Okay, so you can go to the right bottom here. This one. Okay, this one. Okay, click page spread preview. Okay, the cursor will show a page spread preview. Okay, after you click page spread preview, okay, now you can see like this. Okay, so you can see this one is a page 1, this one page 2, page 3, page 4. So how to make it in the one page? Okay, can you see this dash line? Okay, dash line is here. So you must adjust. Okay, adjust to this line, blue line here. Okay, so we can adjust. So you just go to here and adjust and move to the right. Okay, this dash line move to the right. Now it's become page 1. Okay, now you see this one is another page. Page 2. So we must adjust to the blue line. Okay, just scroll down here. Okay, now you see, and sometimes we can adjust here. Okay, we adjust a bit here. Okay, we don't touch the line, or the bottom line, the blue line. Okay, so normally we can adjust. Okay, now you can see only page 1. Okay, after we adjust to the blue line here. Okay, now you go back to the file, print. Okay, so you can see only one page, right? This one is only one page. Okay, Even you can set the margin here. Okay, custom margin, then you can see top, left, right, bottom. So you can see if you print, then 1.9 cm. Okay, and this one is a 1.8 cm. Okay, so left, right is the same 1.8. So you always can adjust if you want. Okay, if don't, just cancel. Okay, just use as a normal. Okay. Okay, the next one is what is header and footer. Header and footer. Okay, we go to print. Okay, then you can see. Okay, can you see here? This one we call header. Okay, and below is a footer. Okay, so header normally is show the title lah. Okay, as you can see, this one is show file name. Okay, file name is mean this one lah. Okay, P1 Excel 1C output. Okay, follow your file name, and this one is the title. Normally we can key in our sale like Homestar Cerebral Heart 2017 sales report. And this one is a worksheet worksheet. Okay, your worksheet name. Okay, like sales summary 2017. Okay, and footer normally is show pages. Okay, how many pages here? Okay, normally header and footer got 3 parts. Okay, left, center, and right. So you can insert. Okay, insert the the number lah. Okay, you can insert everything you want. Okay, okay. For example, I go back to here. Okay, go back to the here. Okay, now we can go to the normal. You just click to here. Okay, this side. Just now page preview is here, right? Now we click here, back to the normal view. Okay, this is the normal view. Okay, now we can insert header and footer. Okay, so you just go to the insert here, and where is the header and footer? Okay, so you can go to the text here, then you can find here, header and footer. So you can click header and footer. As I say just now, left, center, and right. So you can insert the elements. Okay, so we can say insert the elements. For example, here we can insert the file name. Can you see file name here? So we just tick file name. Okay, this is a file name. We show your file name like P1 Excel 1B output underscore DMG1. Okay, so this is your file name. Okay, at the center, we can key in directly. Okay, like Homestar Sendirian Berhad. Okay, 2017 sales report. Okay, key in manually. And this one we can insert sheet name. Okay, sheet name is mean this one. Okay, worksheet name. Okay, like this worksheet name is sales summary 2017, and here we show. Okay, so this is a header. Okay, now you scroll down. We want to find the footer. Okay, footer also got 3 parts. Okay, left, center, and right. Okay, normally we set to the right lah. Okay, send left and right, nothing to insert lah. But you also can insert if you want. Okay, insert the element. Okay, for example, you can insert a click header and footer. You can insert the date. Okay, current date. Okay, and this one is you can insert page. Okay, page number. Okay, but if you select number of pages, this means if you have 3 pages, they will show 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and 3 of 3. Okay, but normally we select page number only lah. Okay, and also here we can insert current time. Okay, this means we show the current time is 2:19. Okay, current date is 27 July. Okay, 2023. Okay, this one we set automatically. We check automatically. For example, if you open this file tomorrow again, then this one will become 28th of July. Okay, and also the time okay, the time that you open this file. Okay, and this one shown 1. Okay, if you have a 2, then we show 2, 3, 4, 5 pages. Okay, so this one is we call header and footer. Okay, now we click the normal view again. Okay. Okay, so this is header and footer. Okay, so we go to the normal view again. Okay, come back to here. Okay, and another one is okay. Let's say yeah, I print preview again. Okay, now you can see right whole page. Okay, let's say I want to print this area until total here, this area. Okay, I don't want to print set summary statistic and also the this chart smart art graphic. Okay, I only want to print this one. Okay, then how? Okay, now you go back to the normal screen here. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, I want to print it here. So I just highlight. Okay, I highlight this part. Okay, I highlight this part. Then I go to the page layout to select print area. Can you see print area? So I click set area, print area. Okay, select here. Now you go back to see. Okay, go back to file and print. Then you can see. Okay, is it? Because I want to print this area. So the others I didn't select. Okay, so I can print out as a hard copy lah. Okay, if you want to print this area only. Okay, but if you don't want, you can always go to print area to select clear print area. Okay, this means go back to the normal lah. Okay, then we print all. Okay, all page. Okay, so this part we also complete. So now what you need to do is save the file E1 Excel 1C output underscore your name. Okay, don't overwrite. Just go to file, save as, okay, browse and save the location that you want. Okay, just save to the desktop if you want. Okay, so you change this one. Okay, E1 Excel 1C output underscore your name. Okay, like this. Okay, so we have finished. Okay, we have finished practical 1A until 1C. So start from next week, we will start the new topic. Okay, practical 2. Practical 2 presentation. So this means we need to use a Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, this one. Practical 2 presentation Microsoft PowerPoint. If you haven't downloaded, you can download this one. Okay, total is 13 chapter. Okay, so that means start from next week. We will start in chapter 1 until chapter 3. Okay, so you can download this one to your computer first. Okay, and you will learn about these all things. Okay, so now we finish this part. Okay, so we can close it. Okay, if no use, we can close it. Okay, so you can keep as a copy. Okay, or you can practice again. Okay, if you want, you can practice. Okay, now we back to your assignment. Okay, okay, to your assignment. Okay, so I can see you have 5 groups, 4 groups, 5 members, and 1 group, 6 members. But so far, I cannot see. Okay, there's no one group. Okay, where's your company name and product? Okay, this means week 2 and week 3, you never discuss with each other. Okay, with your team members. Okay, this means you haven't started your assignment yet. You know, since week 2 and week 3, I already discussed to you how to use a calendar invitations. Remember? But you never done. Okay, I don't know why. When do you want to start your assignment? Week 8, week 9, or week 10? Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, so this one you must do you must have a self-discipline, okay, to do assignment. Okay, so this one is very easy, company name. So you just think a name, your company name, and also what product you sales. Okay, it's a quite easy question. Okay, this is no need to think too long. Okay, it's not difficult. Okay, so you must know you are not the new company. Okay, you are the existing company. Okay, that's why I say you already run a small business. Okay, and your staff have 20 employees. Okay, don't make it wrong. Not the create a new company. Okay, it means you already have this company and now you're running the business. Okay, so you must know the company name and your products. Okay, so you must key in here. Okay, you must key in here. Okay, so this week is the last week. Okay, that means last week allow you to key in. Okay, so that means next week, week 5, I will close your permission. Okay, I will close your permission here. That means you cannot key in again. Okay, of course now you allowed to change. Okay, you want to add something, you allowed to change. Okay, if you want to change the product company name, also can. But next week you cannot key in again. Okay, I will close your permission to the viewer. You can open, but you cannot do anything. Yes, existing company. This means you already run a company. You already do a business, Okay, and you also have 20 staff. Okay, so you must think the company name. It's a fictitious company name. Don't use the real company name. Okay, as I mentioned to you in week 2, is it? And also the product you sell, what product you want to sell. Okay, electronic product, okay, or food products, anything. Okay, so you can think. So that's why you must have a discussion. So that means you haven't started your calendar invitations. Okay, the first session meeting. Okay, not yet. Okay, not done yet. So you must start immediately. This one, first meeting, first session meeting. Okay, so last week I already mentioned to you calendar invitation, right? Okay, so I hope you can remember this one. Okay, so I not discuss to you again. Okay, because I already show you how to do it. Okay, and today I will show you this one assignment report 04. Okay, 04 assignment report. Okay, so within your share folder, create a Gdoc files and name it as a 04 assignment report. Okay, this file must be in Gdoc format, not Microsoft Word format. Okay, this means, let's say, okay, I open. Okay, let's say this is your share folder. Remember, in week 2, you share a Google Drive, you create the Google Drive, and MIT 1723-DMG1 and dash your group, is it? Remember or not? Okay, assume this is your assignment. So you must create the assignment report, this one, Gdoc. Okay, I remove first. Okay, I show you how to create. Okay, and remember, you must create a calendar invitation also because you need to convert PDF file to all must put into this folder, calendar invitation. Okay, so this means your share folder must have this folder. Okay, so now 04 assignment report. So you must use the Google Doc. Okay, this means Gdoc. Okay, Gdoc, this one. Gdoc format. Okay, don't use Microsoft Word. Okay, don't use Microsoft Word, then upload to the share folder. No. Okay, you can do it immediately. Right click to select Google document and then select blank document. Okay, this one you can do it immediately. Okay, no need to wait. Okay, and here your file name must be use a 04 assignment report. Okay, you cannot simply put your file name. Okay, don't use assignment 2023. Okay, assignment group 1, group 5. No. Okay, you must use this 04 assignment report. This means your name. Okay, your file name must be 04 assignment like this. Okay, this is your file name. Okay, later we show here. Later, you see 04 assignment report. Okay, make sure it must this file name. Okay, now. Okay, within 04 assignment report file, put in the following headers and subheader. Okay, so this is a header. Okay, this is a subheader. Okay, header, subheader. Okay, so this means you must write your sentences here. Okay, let's say preliminary investigation. Okay, this means normally header you can put the big font. Okay, 14. You can use bold. Okay, and you use underline. Okay, and next. Okay, like you must add the paragraph. Okay, paragraph. You need to write something. Okay, add paragraph here. Okay, this one you can use a 12. Okay, font size. Then you can write your paragraph. Okay, and also you must add this one. After finish, then you must add this subheader. Okay, subheader you must add here. Okay, after finish the paragraph, then you must have another. Okay, this one. Okay, let's say this is your subheader. Okay, subheader. Okay, you also can use bold, underline. Okay, then this one you must add paragraph again. Okay, add your paragraph. Okay, add. Okay, and others okay, just follow this one. Requirement, okay, and detailed analysis, user wants, recommendation. Okay, that means every members must write something here. Okay, so you can see all group members are required to participate in preparing this assignment report. Okay, provide your write out according to the headers and subheader. Refer to the lecturer notes. Okay, lecture notes chapter 4 for further details. Okay, so this means chapter 4 you talking about this one. Okay, about this preliminary investigation detail analysis. Okay, so this is we say it's a system development life cycle. Okay, SDLC, this one. Okay, software development life cycle. Okay, so this means this one software development life cycle have a five phase. So this one we say this is a second phase, is a analyst phase. Okay, so you must all team members must use a TAR UMT student account when working on this report. Okay, every time you need to log in your TAR UMT, don't use a Microsoft account, personal Gmail account again. Okay, so your participation is the traceable in version history. Okay, that means all members must key in something. Okay, don't appoint one member to key in. Okay, because I can trace who key in this paragraph, who key in this point. Okay, I can trace. So make sure if you have 5 members, my members must key in something here. Okay. Now, what is the preliminary investigation? Okay, just the starting the initial investigate. Okay, because now we're still using the old method. Okay, we use the pre-printed form. Okay, and also we use this both document are handwritten also. Now, okay, now we want to transform another format. We must use the computerized. Okay, that's why we need to design invoice and delivery service order form. Okay, this one is a solution workbook. This one I will discuss to you later. Okay, so you must know exact nature of the problem during invoice and delivery and service order insurance. Okay, so you can compare to the old method. Okay, what you can improve. Okay, what method you can improve. Okay, when you want to implement a new invoice and delivery service order form. Okay, so require improvement. Okay, so you must discuss with your team members and write and think, okay, and think what you can add, okay, to the paragraph, okay, into this point. Okay, and also detail analysis. Okay, detail analysis is another header. So you must write in another paragraph. Okay, so user wants, needs, and requirements. Okay, recommended solution. Okay, user in here is not your customer, it's your employees. Okay, your staff lah. Because your staff, they need to use the computer to key in. Because now you are not using the old method again. You want to change, okay? Change the way. You need to issue delivery and service order, okay, and invoice, okay, through computer, okay? So you must allow the user to key in, okay? Your user is an employee to key in, your staff to key in, to issue to the customer, okay? So you must think this one. So what are the recommended solution you can provide? Okay, for example, you can provide a solution like training. Okay, for example, training. Okay, you must provide training to your customer, to your staff. Okay, so you must train them how to use this one. Okay, how to issue this delivery and service and invoice, how to issue. So they need to know. Okay, that's why you need to provide the training. Okay, provide training to them. Okay, so this one you must think. Okay, of course you can find some information from the Google, but the problem is if you go to here, assignment report in GDoc format must be turned in for Google originality check. Okay, allowed matching rate 25%. That means you cannot just copy from Google and paste to your assignment report. Okay, more than 25%. Okay, but less than 25% is okay. Sometimes we can copy some important word. Okay, we can copy. But it's better you use your own word. Okay, don't just copy and paste. Okay, sometimes you can get the idea from the Google, but you can use your own word to change. Okay, to change your own words. Okay, don't just copy and paste. Okay, and submit this report to Tutor Google Classroom. Okay, this one I will show you next time. Okay, because you need to submit this Google document. Okay, this means you must upload to the GC. Okay, only this part, assignment report. Okay, so this one I will inform you again. Okay, and okay, now it's 05 solution workbook. Okay, understand this part? 04 assignment report. Any question? Any question? Okay, now we want to change the soft copy. Okay, we don't use a hard copy again. Okay, we don't issue invoice and delivery service to the customer again. Okay, so we can use this one. So that's why we must design these two forms, delivery service order and invoice. So allow user to key in and then send by email to them. Okay, no need to print out. Okay, unless customer request hard copy. Okay, so you can print out hard copy to the customer. Okay, now it's all is soft copy. Okay, we always can use email to send. Okay, send delivery service form or invoice. Okay. Okay, now solution workbook. Create a workbook in Microsoft Excel format. Okay, not G-Suite. Okay, you must use a Microsoft Excel. Okay, to create this two worksheet. Okay, but you must name as a 05 solution workbook. Okay, so every file name you must follow this one. Don't create your own file name. Okay, don't generate your file name. Okay, like assignment 5, assignment 1. No. Okay, must use this one. 05 solution workbook. Okay, so we think this workbook create two worksheets and name them as a delivery service order, and invoice. Okay, that means you open Excel file. Okay, let's say Excel. Okay, now Excel. Okay, you must use Excel. Okay, now you must create two new worksheets. Okay, the first worksheet is what? You can rename delivery service order. Okay, another one is invoice. Okay, so this means you must create these two worksheets. You must design. Okay, design your recommended solution within these two worksheets. Incorporate the relevant information as necessary. Okay, so you must know what information you need to put. Okay, and place your company logo in both documents. Okay, that's why you must design your company logo. Okay, you can use a PowerPoint to design. Okay, because you must insert this logo to the to your invoice and delivery service order form. Okay, how to insert? Just now I already show you, right? Insert the logo, just now home logo. Okay, it's the same method. Okay, and use relevant Microsoft Excel functions and custom formula in your worksheet. Okay, so I show you, show you the example. Okay, let's say delivery order form. Okay, so you can see this is an example like delivery order form. Okay, of course you must have a company name, your logo, okay, and the contact number, and also seller, okay, and also the customer place, okay, some customer company name, address, and so on. Okay, so you must okay, you can refer here. Okay, must have a date lah. Okay, the date you issue, okay, you delivery, okay, and you also can mention your description here, and also the price. So this means you must add your Excel formula. Okay, for example, like invoice. Okay, I show you invoice. Okay, this is your invoice. Okay, so you can have your company name and the logo. Okay, so you must build to the customer. Okay, customer details here. Okay, location. Okay, and also your description here. Okay, you must have the quantity, you must have the unit price, and then you total. So this means you must use a Excel formula, okay, to calculate, okay, how to calculate the subtotal. Okay, if you have a discount, okay, and then if you have tax, then you must calculate lah. Okay, so you must have also have a date, invoice date, okay, and also invoice number. Okay, so this is the example. Okay, and use appropriate Microsoft Excel data validation to ensure appropriate data is entered into both worksheets. Provide message to guide user and thus making your worksheet user-friendly. Use appropriate Microsoft Excel security setting to ensure workbook and worksheet integrity. Okay, these two. Okay, if actually I already upload to the GC. Okay, upload to your GC. Okay, you can find from your lecture. No lecture, is your practical GC. Okay, you can go to the assignment here to see solution workbook. Okay, this one, data validation and security setting. Okay, you can refer these two videos first. Okay, you can go through first. Okay, and understand first. Okay, so this one I will discuss next week. Okay, so you must understand first. You must open this and read, okay, and watch this video. Okay, about 7 minutes. Okay, each video is about 7 minutes. Okay, so you can, if you go back, then you can watch this video. Okay, okay, now I open this one. Okay, can you see it? Last time I show you, right? Calendar invitations is 15 marks. Is it? Okay. Okay, now you can see another one. Preliminary investigation. This one, 10 marks. Okay, detail analyst. Oh, you see, 20 mark. This one is more higher. This means you need to write more in this part, detail analyst. Okay, assignment report. Okay, 04 assignment report. So you see, total is 30 mark here out of 100 mark. Okay, so this one you must see. If you want to get higher mark, then you must fulfill the requirements. Okay, you must fulfill the requirement. Okay, and delivery service order, 10 mark. Invoice, also 10 mark. Okay, then you can refer here. Okay, you must have a well-designed spreadsheet-based solution with appropriate information. Okay, and you must have your company logo and Excel formula functions and custom formulas and data validation and security setting. Okay, these two just now I say you can find from your these two, data validation and basic security setting. These two okay, so these two is a compulsory. Okay, compulsory here. So you must have this one. Okay, if you don't have, so your mark is only can get 1 to 4 mark only lah. Okay, even 5 only, half mark lah. Okay, so you must refer here. Okay, you must finish all. Okay, make sure you must insert your company logo. You must have an Excel format. Okay, Excel function formula. Okay, so this one is 10 mark. Okay, 10 mark, 20 mark. Okay, so solution workbook is 20 mark. Okay, this means you create two, right? Okay, just like I say, you design these two form. Delivery service order and invoice is 10 mark here. Okay, so this one you also can discuss with your team members. Okay, how you going to design. But before that, you must you can write 04 assignment report first. Okay, you must have an idea, then you can key in first. Okay, but of course you can also design. Okay, you can do at the same time. Okay, one do this solution workbook at the same time. Okay, you also can start to design. Okay, since we have already complete this practical one. Okay, spreadsheet, Microsoft Excel. So you can start to do it. Okay, and then you can design. Okay, how to make it in one page, fixed in one page. Remember, just now I say page back preview. Okay, so this means your form don't show 2 pages, 3 pages. Okay, don't show total is shown in the other pages. Okay, must show in the one page. Okay, so this one I already show you. So you always can apply. Okay, what I show you, you always can apply. Unless you didn't listen. Okay, you didn't concentrate. Okay, so you don't know what I'm saying. Okay, sometimes it's like this. Okay, because you are not listening, then you don't know at all. Okay, you don't know at all. Okay, now any question? Any questions? Okay, now it's Q&A session. You can ask me questions now. Okay, you can ask me if you have any question. Okay, don't just keep quiet. Okay, so first thing you must have your first meeting. Okay, every time you must have a start your first meeting first. Okay, and you must know what company name. Okay, your product. Okay, so you can key in here. Okay, so only this week. So start from next week, you cannot key in again. Okay, it's better you discuss with your team members. Okay, So next week I will close it. If you cannot key in, this means you know. Okay, you know, right? Okay, I already disable your permission to editor. Okay, as a viewer level. Okay. Okay, so this one you must start first. Okay, if you cannot, you didn't start, then other you will start there, you know. Okay, everything you start. Okay, because you don't start for your first step. Okay, so you cannot proceed again. Okay, there's a no limit word. Okay, don't need to count any word. Okay, don't need to count. Okay, but in the paragraph, okay, in paragraph, don't write in the one is what, two is what. Don't list out something. Okay, so you see lah, you can see. Okay, if 10 marks, okay, 20 marks, of course you need to write more lah. Okay, it's not impossible if this one you write less, this one write more. Okay, it's not make sense, right? Because this one is 20 marks. Okay, at least you need to double. Okay, double up this one, preliminary investigation. Okay, for example, this one you have a 5 paragraph, then this one you must have a 8 to 10 paragraph. Okay, of course, the key point is more important. Okay, if you write more, but if you no key point, it's also no use. Okay, because sometimes it's a talk nonsense. It's not related to the question at all. Okay, just now I say, if I say user, okay, user I say is your yes is your employee, but if you talking about the customer, is not correct because this system is using by your employee, your staff, not customer. So you cannot say customer anything. So you must straightforward to your employees, okay, because they are issue the delivery and service order, okay, and invoice, not customer. Okay, so this one you must understand. That's why if you not understand, you always can read again. Okay, read the assignment question again and again. If you don't understand, you always can ask me. Okay, so I repeat again, don't wait until last minute. Don't wait until week 6, week 7, you just start. No. Okay, you don't much time to do. Okay, as I say, you not only one assignment. Okay, you have a many subject, you have many assignment. So that's why time management is very important for you. Okay, when you want to start the first meeting, okay, when can finish, this one is important. Okay, so this one you always must do your own part lah. Okay, don't always rely to each other. Okay, when we want to start, okay, no, next time, okay, no free, no. Okay, so every members must do their own part lah. Okay, don't wait for each other. Okay, don't wait for each other. Okay, any question to ask? You can ask me right now. Any questions? Okay, and this one, okay, let's say you already create this tool, and your file name must be set as a, just now I already say, must have as a 0 file solution workbook. Okay. Your file name must be 0 file solution workbook and save. Okay. Don't use your own file name. Okay. I will really repeat 2 times. Okay. So your file name must be 0 file solution workbook. Okay. Because this file you must upload to the share folder. Okay. When in week 10, when you want to submit, you must upload to the share folder. Okay. But don't upload first. Okay. Then wait until submit. Okay. Submit, then you only upload. Okay. Because you upload, then you open from Google directly. Okay. Then will become the Google Sheet. Okay. Not Microsoft Excel format again. Okay. So that's why I not request you to upload immediately. Okay. Because you still need to upload like the 01, okay, 02, 03 work file, then 04 or 04 you can do here lah, because it's a Google Doc. Okay, but other file you can wait until finish. Okay, finish to fill in your information. Okay, in week 10, then you just upload to here. Okay, and others you can keep first. Okay, if you design a solution workbook, okay, and others you can keep to your computer first. Okay, if finished, then you just upload to here. Okay, understand? Okay, if you don't have any question, okay, so we can stop now. Okay, so see you next Thursday. Okay, so if you have any question, you can always ask me. Okay, you always can use a Google Chat or you can email to me. Okay, so thank you and see you next week.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Okay.